So you know, the work continues with the front wheel drive RC drag car, and I took off about the front mount turbo that I have over here, which is a replica turbo, because I'm mocking up some things because I might do a different setup with it. And you know, right now I've been working on the stability of the chassis. As I said before, the chassis did have an accident, guys, and you know, I wanted to do some work on that to make sure that everything was okay and still firm. As you can see, I took off the slicks and you know, now back on some regular street tires or street wheels, and you know, we're going to be putting those up for the season and you know, bringing them back out next year. But you know, want to make sure that the car, you know, comes back out and we're in a decent time this time. As I said before, the car did a 3.2. That's not bad. That's an improvement since we had it. So let me take off the body and show you guys what I'll be doing. One thing I plan to do, I don't know if you guys can see it, is that I went ahead here and put a nut right there to extra reinforce that, because before all I had, which is like the front one right here that you can see, was just the screw in and nothing to really hold it there. So that was kind of a bit of a little sloppy job, you know, a little quick fix up when the car had a crash at the time. But you know, now we're going to be bettering that. I'll be adding these here as well, and I'll be putting one right here to brace the center of it, and then I'll be adding another nut right there. The thing is that now with all of that modification, I might put back the same 2S LiPo battery that was there before, which was this one, or I'll go with this one and run I would say a 3S system on it. Since I've had this chassis, guys, I've not really run the car on a 3S system, because you know, you don't really want to strip off the internals like that, especially if you're not really running the proper setup. And this diff that I'm running here is you could say like a stage 2 diff. You can see it right there in the middle. It's like a stage 2 diff, guys, so I don't know if it will really take onto the 3S power that well, but we could try. We might go back to the 2S, but for now, you know, we're really working on getting the chassis sturdy and firm and everything like that. So that's that, guys. So you know, you guys can stay tuned. For now, guys, it's a good amount of time before you know this car will be back up and running, especially before we even sit back in the warm temperatures. But you know, this is the update, and to see if we can get the car to come back out better and stronger this time. So you can stay tuned, subscribe,